Pokémon Center's pitch black drop yesterday was an absolute disaster. I've heard reports of people just being stuck in the queue for hours, where people had to go through a bunch of refreshes, all for them to be kicked out of the line and being booted to the very back of the line. And even if they got through and got into the site, get to the site and the product just doesn't even exist. This is 2026, and somehow Pokémon Center drops just keep getting worse and worse. Here's the interesting part. I actually secured my order. And the only way I'm able to do this every single time is through PokeNotify.
From Pokémon Center to Costco, PokeNotify watches every store, every drop, every second. One alert. 0 missed restocks. Real time, everywhere. You see it first. The only channel I genuinely need to keep up with now is the important updates channel. I've favorited that one. I've also favorited the success tab, since I like seeing what members are landing when it comes to online purchases. Then there's the Target 10 Plus Restock channel. A new edition launched in June. Here's how it works. If Target restocks an item more than 10 times or reaches a total inventory of 10 plus units, this channel triggers an alert. That gives you a much stronger chance at securing a target drop when more stock is actually available, compared to standard drops, which are often limited to just 1 or 2 units per store. You'll notice drops on Amazon, Best Buy, Sam's Club, Target, and Walmart tend to get claimed by bots almost. Wait a moment before joining the queue on mobile data. Shortly after word came through, the Prismatic ETB had dropped with direct links for the US, Canada, and UK. Dr. Apex and his team provide real-time guidance the moment members run into issues. Seeing unavailable? Wait a minute for the button to populate. And stay patient, the site is under heavy traffic. This is what sets PokeNotify apart. A free Discord server simply isn't the same. PokeNotify runs dedicated software that actively Let's take a look at what members are saying about PokeNotify. A complete game changer. PokeNotify stays on top of everything. Real members, real results. PokeNotify. Group is amazing. I receive pings quicker with PokeNotify than others, and I've actually hit a few online drops since joining. Game changer, PokeMike, best server for Pokemon. Without a doubt, the info you get from the team is beyond anything else you'll find. Richie, PokeNotify. Trusted by thousands. Try it risk-free. 3 days completely free. Pay your way with card, cash app, or bank transfer. For less than the price of a single pack, you get unlimited alerts across every top store, every drop, fully covered. PokeNotify. Get access. You can use my link down below in order to sign up. And thanks so much for watching, guys.